How do we increase the page load speed? Any tools or software? Please share paid as well as free ones. I don't get involved with those because I just give it to the guys or the web team who are working on my website. But what you want to do is to go and Google page speed insights, and then you will come to a page like this where you put in the URL of your page or your website, and then it's going to give you marks out of diagnose your website out of 100. And if there's any issues, it's going to tell you. Then your web team needs to go and sort it out. So ideally, you want all of these metrics to be in green. So I would say 70% of our traffic is from desktop, which is very surprising for me. I'm also very puzzled why so many people coming from desktops and laptops and not from mobile. Mobile is very little, but even on mobile, my performance only on this one is about in the, I think 79 or 80 or something like that. Rest is all above 90. So that's what you want to do, and make sure that your website is lightning fast, because all these ad platforms are going to reward you for having a great landing page experience, because they are recommending you from their ad platform, right? They are sending visitors from Google, Facebook, TikTok, and all these places. And if your website is very slow and not giving a great landing page experience to the user, they are going to hammer you with higher CPC. So it's going to be a false economy if you don't pay any attention to your website and let it run the way it is, because you'll end up paying a lot more in paid ads.